Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to put picture in a green screen overlay on CapCut. So here I've already opened my CapCut and I've already imported a green screen overlay like this and also a picture. And what you guys need to do to put the picture in a green screen is first made the green screen as overlay. So click on the green screen and find overlay. Okay, so like this. Then I'm going to adjust the durations of the picture so that it fits with the green screen. And then after that, you can just click on the green screen and then go to cutout chroma key to get rid of the green screen. Drag the color picker into the green screen and adjust the intensity and also the shadow. You can see that the picture is not matched with the position of the green screen, so you can just adjust it by edit it and crop it if you want. I'm going to crop it like this. Then I'm going to match it with the green screen, so for example like this. And after that, I've already succeeded in putting the picture in the green screen. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.